So I just dropped off Bear at the groomer. We came home to get out of the hurricane zone a little bit and let them recover a little while. Saw the family and the kids, a few friends. It's been a really nice visit. Back to Michigan cold. It's been about 40 to 50 degrees here the whole time. So while we're here, we're going to take advantage. We dropped off Bear at the groomer, and I'm going to try to go take a couple drone shots of the lake up here in Muskegon. The wind's blowing about 25 to 30 miles an hour, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get drone shots, but I'm going to give it a shot, and we'll see if anything turns out or not. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me or not. Really windy out here, but we took a break, let the Hurricane Michael recovery begin down in the Gulf. So we came back to Michigan for a visit, see the kids and grandkids, and stopping out here to Lake Michigan real quick just to see the old hometown. And lake's pretty angry today. Hope there's no loopers out here. I'll try to get some shots of it, but just saw the Coast Guard roll through. Looks like they were out there playing in the big waves. But yeah, looks like about 6 to 8 footers out here in Lake Michigan, so a lot nicer down south.
Get wet. I'm serious. Funny. Hurry.
So it's our last, you're such a dork. So it's probably our last nice day here at Pickwick Lake. I thought we'd come see the waterfall. A lot of loop boats coming in from the rendezvous. Looks like we have about maybe 10 or 12 boats at the marina now. So 75 degrees today, sunny. Thought we'd try one more quick dinghy ride and take Bear out, see how things are going. So, goodbye.